up sopping pigs, living in a trailer park, pissing on electric fences in the dark, jumping off of waterfalls, going to a funeral, is knowing Jesus is the key to eternal life. Country love, is it written in the stars, babe? I don't know, but it's painted on the barn. I fell in love for the first time in the country. That's where I got my country love. That's where I got my country love. Tell me why I can't have a house on the side of the highest mountain in Tennessee. I don't wanna die, but if I gotta go, I'd like to know that's where I'll be. Tennessee. Country love, that's where I got my country love.